So this just showed up. This is the Groove Gear Capsule Duo. I ordered this from a local shop, so it didn't actually come in a box. This is it. So this is kind of like an unboxing of sorts. It's not in a box, but you get the idea. I'm just gonna go kind of open it up and see what's going on, see what's inside, give everybody a nice look at this brand new Groove Gear Capsule Duo. So the reason I actually bought this case was mainly just because I was kind of getting tired of hauling all my stuff in several different cases every single week when I wanted to go to a gig or a rehearsal. It was just a pain in the butt to get everything together. And I figured, I saw the single capsule, which was obviously nice, but sometimes I brought a second instrument with me. Sometimes I needed a little bit more, so I figured this would be a good thing to fit everything in. Even if I needed two basses, I could fit two basses in here. Yeah. And more importantly, I'm into the scootering to get around, electric scooter. It has backpack straps, so I actually could put it on my back and take it with me. So this one I think weighs 18 pounds, and I think the single, just the capsule, weighs about 15 pounds. So 18 pounds isn't light, but it's not, unbearably heavy either. So I'm going to do a full review once I've been using it for a little while. So what do you got? This, backpack straps. They just strap onto here. That's nice. Look at that. They're like hard mounted, so you don't have to worry about losing these. That's brilliant. Me likey. I like that a lot. That is fantastic. Cool. There's a handle here, handle on the side. There's a handle on the top as well. Good. So I'm hoping that this actually lasts a while. I plan to ship it at least once this year. I'm going to need to go back somewhere, and I could probably fit my guitar and also a bunch of clothes and stuff in this thing as well. So should be lots of room. So it has these locking. Oh, this is going to be fun. Trying to figure out how to unlock this thing. Do I just press? Oh, just like that. That's awesome. That's pretty cool. So it's got, you can set a code. Actually, I didn't realize it had a code right on there. You just set a code and then you can lock the zippers, obviously. Obviously, someone could easily get in there, but that's a nice little feature. It's got TSA key lock too. Awesome. All right, so let's start with the top. Let's open up the top of this bag here. Okay. All right, so this is the top pouch, and obviously we got 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets here, which I'm hoping my bass head can fit just in that one. We'll see if it'll actually fit. Fingers are crossed. Oh, look at that. That's lovely, beautiful. Let me guess. Another one? Wow. Are these just full of these? I thought there'd be actual accessories in here. Come on, guys. Why is this necessary? Is that just to make the thing look plush? That's hilarious. I thought the accessories would be in here. Unfortunately, it's made in our favorite country, which is too bad. Some cases here in Canada, if you get a Gibson guitar, at least the one that I have, the case was made in Canada. Guitar made in USA, case made in Canada. You buy a Fender, or apparently these ones, made in China. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go grab my bass head right now. All right, so this is a Fender Rumble 800. I love this bass amp. It's been fantastic. I've had it for 3 years now, and it just pumps it out. Honestly, I don't think I've ever needed to take it past 50% in anything that I've ever done. But check this out. Oh, it'll fit. It's brilliant. Look at that. I told my friend recently, I was like, yeah, I'm just going to, I need a case where I could fit my head in. He said, what? I was like, it's a bass head, solid state. It's not a tube amp. Look at that. Brilliant. That's a win already. Look at that. Fits in there. Put a bunch of other accessories. That's amazing. I'm really happy already. I'd also like to be able to fit my pedal board in there. I have one of those micro pedal boards, pedal train pedal boards. Ooh. It is so soft. That is lovely. I like the feel of that. All right, enough of that. So this is a cover. That's to separate the two guitars if you were to put two basses in here. This looks a little small. What do you guys think? I don't know. It's hard to tell in here. Let me grab a bass. All right, this is a Jazz that I've got. Squire. Look at that. Fits like a champ. Perfect. All right, let's see what else is in here. All right, lifting up this guy. Look at this. Oh, this was upside down. That makes sense. So the bass would fit on like that. What is the purpose of this? Why does that fall? Oh, I guess you could, it's a little compartment. You could put a few things, maybe a pack of strings in there, maybe a cable. That could fit in there. Yeah, very good. This is the humidifier control, which uses these, which I think they might be disposable. And I suppose if you're actually traveling with this, you're shipping this, it's going in a plane, that could be a good idea to actually use that. But for the most part, I don't know if that will be super useful. But I think those are disposable. Not a big fan of that. All right, so we got here, the wheels. These wheels go on the back so that you can roll this thing around. That's really cool. Comes with a nice little bag. That is a nice feature. But that's basically the case. I think I'll put a couple basses in here to see how that goes. Let me go grab another bass. This is my Fender American Precision bass, sold to me by a friend at a very reasonable price, and I absolutely love this bass. But look at this here. This thing fits in there nice and snug. Snug as a bug in a rug. This guy goes on top. Beautiful. Grab that Squire. Put that in there. Nice. See, I guess these are spacers if you got a shorter bass or you want to really, you know, make it nice and snug in there. It'd be nice if there was Velcro or something, but that is what it is. All right. And then you flip that guy on there. Look at that. Look at that. Now we're cooking with fire. That is something. And I presume, yeah, that's got some heft to it. That's it's gonna be heavy on the scooter, but we'll make it work. One more thing I want to take a look at is to see if this will fit in there. So this is my pedal board. So this is one of those bags that I got to take with me. One of these bags, just another thing to bring. Cables, got the pedal board. Let's see. I suppose that's the wrong zipper thing. Let's open this guy up in the front. So I suppose, look at that. That'll work. That'll do. Keep grabbing the wrong zipper. That'll do. So this is going to be pretty heavy. I mean, there's a few more things I'm probably going to bring with me on a typical day. I'm going to bring some cords and a few things. And I'm not normally, there's two basses in here, I'm not normally going to bring two basses with me. But I have the option if I need it. But it's a thick boy. Sure is. But that's it. That's the Groove Gear Capsule Duo 2. I'm going to do a review of it after I've used it for a while and let you guys know what I think. Thanks for watching.